Hi, this is Highbridge Motorhome's Devon branch on a beautiful Thursday afternoon in early September, and we're here at the Shepton Mallet Bath and West show for the weekend. This is our final, it's not our final outdoor show of the year because we've got a Exeter in November. This is our annual trip to the Bath and West show, and I'm doing some individual videos, and this is what I'm very excited to do. This is an absolute cracker. It's an Adria Coral 670DL 60th anniversary edition, and isn't it pretty? It's not even open yet, the show, and we've already had two other sort of traders come up and have a look at this one, and even Noel, one of our drivers who has a slightly older Adria, we made him drive this onto the stand the other day, and we're going to work on him, see if he wants one. So it's a 1 year only special edition based on the best-selling Adria Coral Supreme 670DL. Adria, the luxury arm of the French giant Trigano group, but they're a Slovenian company fighting out of Novo Mesto in the forests of Slovenia, which is a manufacturing powerhouse. They've been going 60 years now. They've been doing motorhomes for probably 30, maybe more than that, 40 years. And they're very, very high quality, aimed at the Scandinavian and German market, but they're very, very popular in the UK. So this is the full fat 7.45 metre Fiat based longitudinal fixed single beds, or a big double over a large garage. And yeah, it's basically the bigger brother of the best-selling compact DL. If you see this in time to get yourself to Shepton Mallet, by the way, we've got a really nice stand. If not, coolest we'll have, well, I'm going to try and pinch this one and bring it back to Devon with me because it came from Somerset. Availability wise, we've got well, until we sell one, immediate availability. Otherwise we have several on order, but this model finishes in May next year, and it's a special edition enhanced value pack, which I'll go through it, what you get and what the differences are from this and the Supreme. But first, let's look at the window sheet. So 2025, 2026, call it what you will. It was launched midway through 25. It runs for midway through 26 model year. Based on the Fiat Ducato, 140 with a new 8-speed automatic. It's the new 10 series Ducato. 3-stroke 4-berth, 4 seat belts. So she's 7.49 metres long, which is the pretty standard full-size coach built. 2.3 wide, a couple of inches narrower than some. 2.9 tall, same body shell as the Matrix. You can have this as a Supreme with the Matrix. Now, these special edition ones, they've tried their level best to keep it at 3.5 tonne, and it is sort of, it's usable at 3.5 tonne, isn't it? So you've got 315 kilo payload, which I know isn't massive, but for a premium quality van, you want to keep it 3.5 tonne, travel light, you can do with this, because that includes an allowance for your driver, 90% of your diesel, 90% of your water, mains, cable and gas bottle. 89,945. Now a Supreme, the sort of normal version of this, 105, so maybe 15 grand cheaper. Differences are, well, I'll tell you the differences as we go around, basically. So they're all exactly the same. There are no options on these, keeps it nice and easy. God, doesn't it look good with the sun catching it? It's one of the best looking vans on the market, it really, really is. So they're all in R10s grey, with matching GRP body at the back. So the body is GRP instead of aluminium on the Supreme, so that saves a little bit of weight, brings them back down to the 3.5 tonne bracket. If you've got a C1 driving license, or you want to get one, it can be up plated. It'll go up to 3.650, 3.7, 3.8, 3.8 with paperwork, 3.9 with air ride on the back. So everything on it, it comes with its standard. So you've got standard headlights, not the LED headlights, which come as one of the packs on the Supremes, but you do have front fog lights, very smart 16-inch alloy wheels, running boards with step. Obviously it's AdBlue and diesel goes in there. Freshwater full up point, you've got 140, 120, it's big anyway, 140 litre I think it is freshwater tank. That's inboard, heated and insulated external waste tank. All Adrias for the UK market come with a little sucker pump to plugs in there, pumps water in from an aqua roll. Heating on the Supremes is the regular model, 105,000 model, is Aldi wet radiator heating. This uses the Truma gas and electric combi board that you'll see in most other vans, and it's fine, still grade 3, fully winterised, you won't be cold. Special 60th edition graphics, which look really, really nice. Toilet locker there, waste dump point down there. It's got electronic fresh and wastewater tank dump points. It is very much a premium van. Now you're getting this for the same price as a Swift Escape, a Bailey Autograph, less than the Bailey Horsecraft that's about to be relaunched. So you're talking British fan money for a premium European product, so there's a lot to be said for that, I think. Two-piece back end, LED rear automotive lighting. You've got reversing sensors and a reversing camera still as standard, so they haven't skimped in any way on anything important in my opinion. Massive garage that you could fit an entire Slovenian umpire band in there. Lit on both sides, plenty of adjustable tie down points. You've got this light pine wood in them, 12 volt and 230 volt sockets, and it's heated as well in there, so plenty of storage space. Also got handy extra space down there. Coming around the offside, which is where the driver's door is, of course it's a European van designed to be a left-hand drive van initially. Full length awning, part of the price, fantastic. Again, those really nice graphics, double glazed windows all the way around. Big fridge freezer, 3-way still on these, on the full size ones. Electric step and sliding window there, you can have open when you're driving. You've also got external TV and sockets, more things you wouldn't expect as standard on a model they're trying to keep the price down on. So there's external coaxial TV and satellite points, double USB, 12 volt for charging your phone outside, and a standard 12 volt socket there, as well as your mains hookup there. So you got mains hookup, you get 100 amp hour lithium battery, which saves weight of course as standard. You don't get lithium on the more expensive version, although they are lithium ready. So yeah, lithium as standard on all the 60th editions, which is worth 2.5 standard leisure batteries. No solar panel available as a factory option on these. Solar is a factory option on Supremes, but there's plenty of roof space up there, and we can fit you one if you want one. Cab blinds, new style Remus cab blinds, standard. Semi-digital dash, the full fat one, the Supreme gets a full digital dash, this gets a semi-digital dash. Don't think that would bother me. Still get the leather gear stick and steering wheel, the central cup holders. You get a aftermarket audio-visual system with, well, it says nav on that one. I mean, the model of these has varied a little bit. I think it's a Zenec one. So it's got nav, Apple CarPlay, Android Autoplay, manual air conditioning, and a manual handbrake, compared to an 11-inch touchscreen on the Supreme, climate control and electronic handbrakes. You can see a few ways where they've tried to keep the price down in a van that's kept the price down, none of which would bother me. I actually prefer, well, when my back's not knackered anyway, I prefer a manual handbrake. I feel it gives me more adjustment going up leveling ramps. 8-speed automatic gearbox as standard as well. So comparing this to the other brands we sell, you're talking 7-8 grand more than a Showtime. I think it's arguably worth that. Double floor, again, don't get that in this sort of price bracket. Huge panoramic roof light, and how nice is that, as well as the front panoramic roof light as well. Electric step that won't come out because I haven't turned the electrics on. Adria light up sign to remind you you've got an Adria in case you forget. Whoop! You step inside, very spacious, very light, really roomy. This feels like an 8-foot wide van. It isn't, but it feels it, and I really like this 60th edition upholstery. It's a half premium leatherette with quad cloth infills. Table, fairly small, very solid, spins around, drops down there, folds out, makes, they called it a single bed, but it's a big single. You'd fit 2 kids in there, or 2 friendly adults. Isn't this nice? I do like the light pine finish, it's really nice. Push the wrong side. Plenty of these aircraft style bin lockers. Both of these will turn into forward facing seat belted seats. Get an oven for the UK market. We take the knobs off because it's been at Somerset customers are lovely people, but they take the knobs off. The cookers and the shower heads, things like that. I always like the fact that Adria use 3 rings across instead of an L shape. Nice deep sink, a silver tap, not a black tap. Thank God, everybody does black taps these days, so Adria proud to be different. Coffee holder mounting rail, coffee machine mounting rail. Shoe storage, lights which are dimmable. Adria Max system is standard on these 60th anniversaries, not on the more expensive one as I found out today for some illogical reason. Very simple control panel. Still got the Truma control panel there for your heating and your hot water. You can mount a 32-inch TV or a 27-inch Avtex TV vertically in that, and it will come out, rotate 90 degrees, come out to there. So that's your slimline 12 volt fridge freezer. A cupboard which is perilously close to being big enough to fit a microwave into. You may be able to. We may be able to fit you a socket. Don't hold me to either of those two things though. Full width bathroom, toilet and shower. Let's do the bedroom first. I like the white headboard. I like the Scandinavian feel. Adria, of course, the best-selling brand in Scandinavia for many years. That will pull out into a middle bit. I don't know if it comes with a cushion, a standard to do that, and you can lift up your headrest as well. Storage in the steps, wardrobe under there, shelving under here. This will all pull out. Privacy screen, give you privacy. Turn that into a full width bathroom. Wash basin that side with your Thetford toilet. Mirror, skylight for ventilation, another big skylight for ventilation. Drip drying rail and a large separate shower with two of the biggest plug holes I've ever seen. Wheel arch built into separate shower, because vans have back wheels, they have to have a wheel arch, and you may as well put it in the shower. Well, not that they had any choice, you may as well put the shower where the wheel arch is, more that way round. So I think at $89,995, and I know it's a lot of money, but it's a premium van in a not so premium price tag. I think this is a really good thing. So it's the Adria Coral 60th edition 670DL. Give us a call, 07432 662 558 if you're seeing this quite soon, because I'll be up at the show. You can come and see it at Shepton Manor, or you can come and see one when we borrow this one for back in Devon by calling 01626 832 792. Check the Highbridge Caravans website, email jw4@highbridgecaravans.co.uk, or come and see us at Highbridge Caravans, Newton Abbot, Devon, and ask us about the wonderful world of the Adria Coral 670 DL 60th anniversary edition. Thank you very much. Goodbye.